gikk vi på ski til skolen. Og på hjemveien så stoppet vi på en skibakke. I think telemark skiing is skiing. It's like you're alive. Oh gosh, 83, going on 84. But you know, I don't even think about it. I probably drop dead on the slope here one day.
In the 1860s, Norwegian farmer and legendary ski pioneer Sondre Norheim refined a technique that forever changed skiing. What once was a means of cross-country transportation became a passion for moving down mountains. Norheim, considered by most the father of modern skiing, hailed from Morgedal in the Telemark region of Norway. It was here he perfected a technique which became known as the telemark turn, and thus modern skiing was born. In the 30s and 40s, skiers followed Norheim's passion for the reckless track, but the classic turn was abandoned in favor of the new and more aggressive alpine style. In the last 20 years, telemarking has made a comeback. And with technology and attitude from alpine skiing and snowboarding, telemark has stepped up to show the world that the sport which started it all remains unparalleled.
Your eyes shine like the mountains off a desert in spring. I can't tell if I know you. Should I show you everything?
February.